What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So people are definitely going to be kicking themselves when they figure out what XRP is going to be. Simply put, XRP, in my opinion, is going to be the world digital currency. Does that mean that it will take over the US dollar completely? Probably not, because there still will be people that use the dollar, just like people using credit cards and using checks and all of those things. Those things were implemented, but the US dollar is still a thing. People are going paperless, but we still have dollars in circulation, and we still have many people that still use it and still don't trust banks. So it's going to be a thing to where the US dollar still remains as kind of that end all be all. However, XRP will have a main staying point or staying power in the world economy as we know it. So in this video, I want to talk about why XRP doubters will be kicking themselves very, very soon. If you haven't seen the growth in XRP, you definitely need to check it out and watch the rest of this video. But if you could, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in leverage trading. This is a great platform that I have partnered with. I love what they're doing. I love the ability to 2x all the way up to 5x leverage trade. You can also get a 10% deposit bonus up to $500, or actually $500 USDT or more. It doesn't have a maximum from what I understand. Extra bonuses up to $10,000 per user, and then also 40% lower trading fees that you have with this platform. So feel free to check this out. It is available in the US. You do have 13 years of trusted use by millions of people. So feel free to check it out if you guys are interested in leverage trading. Now, I want to show you where XRP is right now. And before we get into that, I just have to kind of give you a, I don't know, a pat on the back, I guess. If you are a person that bought XRP during the time where I was talking about it, if you're a person that is stayed with XRP no matter what hater came on and said, look, we don't like XRP, we hate what you're doing here, and it's not going to grow, it's going to be at this value forever. People that did that didn't understand what XRP truly is. And they still don't understand what XRP truly is, because some of those haters are gone. Some of them are still here, and they waited for a little bit of a pullback to make sure it wasn't going to explode so that they can continue to talk down XRP. But what I understand is that they don't know why it was held down for that long. There's a cause and effect to everything. So when you have negative news, or a country, technically a government that's going against your cryptocurrency, that's suing the parent company of that, of course there's going to be negative news. Any publicity is good publicity. That gets more popularity out there. However, people are still skeptical. They're not buying, especially businesses and partners. They're not partnering with them. So why was it held down? Because of the cause, right? The cause and effect. You're going to see the lawsuit, and you see that it stays at these prices. You see what happens when they say it's removed from the lawsuit, or charges are dropped, or it's labeled as not a security. What happens? Skyrocket, right? You see Gary Gensler might be out, skyrocket. Those are the things you see. Now, where is XRP right now? XRP currently stands at $1.11. It's up by 1.4% today, and we're seeing it at a 62 or almost $63 billion market cap. It's also seeing $5 billion worth of volume. Sorry, I had to bring my notes over here. It's seeing $6 billion worth of volume. And you also have a 9%, almost 10% volume to market cap ratio. Now, the circulating supply, 56.93 billion total coins that are out there. We understand that more is going to be introduced over time with Ripple and their processes that are there. Now, If we look at the growth over the last 7 days, we see this up 54% from a level of, a low level of 65 all the way up to breaking $1. I believe the highest point in the last 7 days or last month was $1.26. Great. And right now we're at $1.11. The lowest point in the last month was 49 cents. If you were one of those people that bought in the last month, congratulations for what you ended up getting, right? Up 103%. But this is still only chump change. This is still only the beginning stages of it, and some people don't understand. I've gotten plenty of comments recently as things started to come down a little bit, and they're not really coming down, but as they came down a little bit, people are like, that's it. That's all it's getting, and it's not going to grow any more than that. With XRP being clear of any lawsuit and potentially having a large place in this world, in this economy, know that the sky is the limit for where XRP will be. And if you think that XRP is going to be worth a $60 billion market cap, you're sadly mistaken. It's going to be worth hundreds of billions in the short term. It's going to be worth trillions in the long term. And it's going to be heavily used by most, or by most that understand crypto at least a little bit. And it will be explained on how to use it and why you would use it. Yes, it may take a little bit of time to implement because you look at credit cards, you look at checks, you look at all these things. It took so long to fully implement it, and you have it implemented here, but then people have to buy into what that is. Not only buy into it by having it, but buy into it by understanding it. And the best way that you could see that happen is by banks that are partnering with Ripple and make it easy to go through a transaction with XRP. And maybe it could even happen behind the scenes where you're using the US dollar, and the way that they communicate through banks, or the way that they communicate through country to country transactions, cross-border payments, is all through XRP, and that conversion from US dollar directly to XRP, and then from bank to bank or country to country very quickly, and they do whatever they want with it. But that transaction is the most important part, and being able to utilize that for that transaction is the most important part. So if you think that XRP is done right here, you're going to be kicking yourself just like you were already kicking yourself in the past month, and understood that you didn't understand that this was going to grow by 100%. I've been holding it for quite some time. I believed in XRP, and I still believe heavily in where XRP will go. But we'll see all of the ways that it gets implemented, and the more ways that we see people using it, the more we end up seeing this price grow, the market cap grow. This deserves to be, in the short term, well above $100 billion market cap. But since we don't still have that clarity to say that the lawsuit is won, to say that Gary Gensler is out, to say that XRP is being used heavily in the world as we know it, and Ripple doing everything that they can in order to see XRP succeed, the XRPL succeed. Also, meme coins that are being created on the XRPL. So the sky's the limit for this project, and I really can't wait until we see the transactions that are happening on the ledger, as well as the transactions that are happening in the world, and the level of impact that it's going to have on this world. So again, XRP, I'm holding so much XRP. I think it's so much, right? I'm holding 100,000. There's other people that have 200,000 or even 1 million, which is fantastic that you have that much. But I believe in XRP a lot, and we're going to see it succeed. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, or hit the dislike button if you're one of those haters that came in here. If you're one of the doubters, feel free to hit the dislike button. Go ahead and show who you are. Put it in the comment section so that I know who you are, and I can see all the different comments that you make here, and then we can go from there. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.